Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Umiti Safitri. I'm from class management 24C with number student 2441138. On this occasion, I will discuss about financial ratio analysis, understanding a company financial health. Okay, let's get straight to it. What is financial ratio analysis? Number one, comparative methods. This method involves comparing figures from financial statement to assess a company liquidity, efficiency, profitability, and solvency. It provides a structured way to interpret raw financial data. Number two, performance monitoring. Financial ratio analysis help in monitoring performance over time, identifying trend and benchmarking against competitors within the same industry. This allows for a clear understanding of a company's standing. Key category of financial ratio. Number one, liquidity ratio. Measure a company's ability to meet its short-term obligation, example current ratio, quit ratio. Number two, profitability ratio. Indicate how effectively a company generates profit. Example, gross profit margin, return on equity. Number three, leverage ratio. Assess the extent to which a company uses debt in its capital structure. Example, debt to equity ratio, interest coverage ratio. Number four, efficiency ratio. Evaluate how well a company manages its asset and resources. Example, asset turnover, inventory turnover. Number five, dividend policy ratio. Reflect a company's policy on distributing profit to shareholder. Example, dividend payout ratio. Next example of liquidity ratio, current ratio. Formula. Current ratio is current asset per current liability. Function. The current ratio measures a company's ability to cover its short-term debt with its short-term asset. A higher ratio generally indicates a stronger financial position for meeting immediate obligations. Example, if the current ratio is 1.5, it means the company has 1.5 times its current liability in current asset. This gives a healthy capacity to pay off its short-term obligation. Next example of profitability ratio. Return on equity, ROE. Formula. ROE, net income per shareholder equity. ROE indicates how much profit a company generates for its unit of shareholder equity. It's a key metric for investors to gauge management efficiency is using equity to generate profit. Example, an ROE of 20% signifies that for every 1 rupiah of equity invested by shareholder, the company generates 0.20 rupiah in profit. A higher ROE often point to better financial performance. And then leverage ratio, debt to equity ratio. Formula. Debt to equity is total debt per shareholder equity. This ratio measures the proportion of a company funding that comes from debt versus shareholder equity. It's a critical indicator of financial risk. And implication, a high debt to equity ratio can indicate greater financial risk because the company relies more heavily on external financing, making it potentially more vulnerable to economic downturn or rising interest rate. Next, the importance of financial ratio analysis. Number one, strategic decision making. Assist management in making informed strategic decisions from operational improvement to capital expenditure planning. Number two, investor and creditor assessment. Enable investor and creditor to evaluate a company financial health, performance, and risk profile before making investment or lending decision. Number three, contextual analysis. Ratio should not be used in isolation. Their true value comes from comparing them against industry standard, historical trend, and economic condition to gain meaningful insight. And then conclusion. Why financial ratios are crucial? Vital tool for performance. Financial ratios are indispensable tool for understanding a company's performance, identifying its strength and weakness, and assessing its potential for growth. Comprehensive overview. Shock ratio analysis. We gain a comprehensive overview of complex financial statement, breaking down intricate data into digestible and actionable insight. Inform business decision. Utilize ratio wisely and combine the with other data point for well-rounded informed business decision that drive success and mitigate risk. Okay guys, this is explanation from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.